In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable block ads on Brave browser. If you want a cleaner browsing experience with fewer distractions and better privacy protection, enabling Brave browser's built-in ad blocker is one of the best things you can do. Brave already comes with powerful privacy tools built directly into the browser, so you don't need to install third-party extensions just to block ads and trackers. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of turning on Brave's ad blocking feature and choosing the protection level that works best for your browsing needs. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once everything is visible on the screen, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the browser window. There, you'll find the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that icon to open Brave's main menu. When the drop-down menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's configuration page, where you can customize privacy settings, browser appearance, performance options, and security features. After entering the Settings page, look toward the left-hand sidebar where the different categories are listed. From there, click on Shields. This section contains Brave's built-in protection tools and controls how the browser handles ads, trackers, and other potentially unwanted content while you browse the internet. Inside the Shields section, locate the setting labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Next to this option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to view the available blocking modes provided by Brave browser. You'll typically see 2 main options available: Standard and Aggressive. Each mode offers a different level of ad and tracker protection depending on how strict you want the browser to be. The standard setting is recommended for most users because it blocks the majority of advertisements and tracking scripts while still allowing most websites to function properly. This option provides a balanced browsing experience with improved privacy and fewer interruptions without causing compatibility problems on most websites. The aggressive option increases the level of blocking even further. While this can provide stronger privacy protection and remove additional advertising elements, it may also cause some websites to load incorrectly or prevent certain site features from functioning as expected. If you choose aggressive mode, keep in mind that some websites may require adjustments later if parts of the site stop working properly. Once you decide which option fits your browsing preferences, simply click on your preferred setting. Brave will immediately apply the changes, and the ad blocker will begin working automatically across your browsing sessions. And that's it! You've successfully enabled ad blocking in Brave browser and improved both your privacy and browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.